have a lot of options. Which office we are needed? We are needed office 24. Office 24. Also 64 will finish. Also we are no need this one. This one, publishers, one notes. Okay. One more that's not. Now install this one. Now to the hold. These are need to the finish. This is a pirated publishments. Now this is the finish. Now click the close. We are need copy status. Click here. Then done. Okay. Now we are opening these apps. Firewall. Click. This is the new Excel. Open file locations. Now we are sent our copy, then paste in here desktop and clicking one by one. We will click one at a time. Paste. We are checking one more thing. This Outlook need to automatics is working or not. Yes, also license also accepted. Send option data don't send. Done. Outlook also automatic set. You see the previous setups. Okay, thank you. The office pack installed.